Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Vegas Pro for audio ducking with Sidechain step by step clearly. Open Vegas Pro and load your project. Import the audio tracks you want to work with. Make sure the track with the background music is placed below the voiceover track. Select the track with the voiceover audio. Click on the Effects button on this track. In the FX window, search for the compressor effect. Drag and drop the compressor effect onto your voiceover track. Open the compressor effect settings by clicking on it. Look for the option labeled Sidechain Input. Enable the Sidechain feature by clicking on the checkbox. Now, go to the background music track. Again, click on the Effects button for this track. Search for the compressor effect once more. Drag and drop this new instance of the compressor effect onto the background music track. Open the compressor effect settings for the music track. In the Sidechain Input drop-down menu, select the voiceover track. Adjust the ratio and threshold settings to taste. Lower the threshold to let the voiceover duck the music. Test the audio playback to hear how the audio ducking works. Fine-tune the attack and release settings as needed for a smooth transition. Once you are satisfied with the settings, close the effect windows. Save your project to keep your changes. Finally, export the project to apply the audio ducking effect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.